watching how to get 5000 Facebook friend requests in one day. Before moving further, please note the following points. Use the tutorial only for fun purpose. Don't use it for comparison that brings hate among each other. Using this tutorial might send friend requests to the unknown person as you have allowed certain permissions from your account. You should skip this video if you are highly concerned about your account privacy, as we are not responsible if anything wrong goes with your account. And the last and the most important thing to note that is making 5000 friends will not make you famous. Okay, now let's get into the tutorial. Open your favorite browser and go to facebook.com. Once the page gets loaded, click on menu given on the right corner. Then click on account settings. Click privacy and change who can see your future posts to public. Change who can send you friend requests to public. After that, click on public posts. Change who can follow me to public. Then change public post comments to public. After doing all that, go to webbe.com/autorequest. Direct link will be given in description, so do check it out. Once the page gets loaded, scroll down a bit and click on Generate Access Token. Now log in using your Facebook username and password. After entering the correct account details, click on Generate Access Token. On the next screen, copy-paste the access token on the second box and then click on Login. Now once the page gets loaded, scroll down a bit again and click on Use Auto Request. Wait for a few seconds and after that open your Facebook account to check if you got any friend request or not. And yes, there are new friend requests. Use these steps again after 15 minutes to get more and more friend requests. This is all in this video. I hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such videos.